Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by installing Nova and making it your default launcher so changes apply system-wide. Once done, open Nova settings and create a backup immediately. This protects your layout if you change your mind. Make sure you have an icon pack and wallpaper ready. Having assets beforehand speeds layout work. Now tap Home Screen Settings to begin. Grid size, margins, and persistent search bar are the first actionable controls you'll adjust to establish the structure. Next, focus on layout. Change the desktop grid to control spacing, then scale icon size so items fit neatly. You'll learn why visual balance reduces cognitive load. Once the grid is right, apply your icon pack and enable adaptive icons to keep shapes consistent. Make folders for related apps and assign gestures. Swipe up for app drawer, double tap to lock screen to speed navigation. Finally, configure the dock and label visibility so frequently used apps are always accessible and uncluttered. Finish by adding widgets. Choose sizes, adjust padding, and check overlap so widgets remain readable and functional. A calendar or clock should be prominent. Then bind any remaining gestures and double-check folder organization. You're optimizing for speed and clarity. Once satisfied, export a Nova backup to preserve the setup. If something goes wrong, for example, icons disappear after an update, clear Nova's cache or restore the backup you exported. That single troubleshooting step solves most layout regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.